Hello kids, today we will draw a slice of cake. So let's start. First draw a horizontal line, like this. If you want, you can also use a scale to draw the line. Well done, now draw another line, in an angle. Good job, now draw a curved line. Now leave a gap, then draw another curved line, and it's done. Well done, now let's draw a cherry in the gap. Draw a round circle, like this. Then draw a small curve, then make the big curved line, and it's done. Look, we draw a delicious cherry. Now let's complete the cake. First draw a line, like this. Good job, now draw another line, on the other side also. Make both the lines same, and equal length. Now connect both the line. Draw slowly, and try to make all the lines strike. Well done, look, we draw the cake. Now let's decorate the cake. First draw some wavy line, on top. Make long and smooth line, like this. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's make some half circle, in the base. Just draw some curvy line, and make half circle. Make all the circle in equal size. Well done, look how great it's looking. If you want, you can also decorate the cake differently. Now let's make a cute and happy face. First draw the eyes. Draw a big circle, like this. Now slowly and carefully fill the color. Lastly, draw the eyelashes, and it's done. Now draw the other eye also. Do the same thing. First draw a big circle, then carefully fill the color. Don't forget to make the eyelashes. Just 2 is enough. Lastly, draw a big happy smile, and look, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use purple color, and color the cake top. Color the triangle part. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Just color up and down, up and down, up and down. And slowly fill the color. You can also use different colors and make your own creation. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use pink color and color the side. Color the wavy border only, and don't make any mistake. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Look how great it's looking. Now let's color the middle of the cake. Use yellow color and color the outline. Color carefully on the curvy area. Don't color the circle and the eyes. Well done. Now just color up and down, up and down, up and down, and slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Look how cute it's looking. Now use red color and color the half circle. Color the outline, then fill the color. Color only inside the half circle, and it's done. Lastly, color the corner, and it's done. Now let's color the cherry also. Just color round, and it's done. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now use red color and make some sprinkler. Draw some small red line, only in the pink area. Good job, it's looking very delicious. Now use yellow color and make some more sprinkler. Now make sprinklers on top of the cake. Do the same thing. Just make some small line, and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Lastly, use white color and make the cake more shiny. First, draw a circle on the eye and fill the color. First, draw a big circle, then draw a small circle, and it's done. Now let's draw some curvy line on the red part. Just draw like me, then you will not make any mistake. It's looking very great. Lastly, draw a line on the cherry also. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how delicious and tasty the cake is looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.